Hi, my name's Linnea Hahn, and my passion, as you heard earlier, is helping people. I started with this as a nutritionist in Illinois and found out when I had PMS really severely and was fine half the month and crazy half the month that I ended up starting the PMS Holistic Center of Illinois. That turned into a book, PMS Solving the Puzzle, 16 causes and what to do about it. And it went to Japan where it says, PMS something, 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 are you happy? So I would love to have distributors both in the U.S. and customers of the book. It's a small press bestseller, but there are many, many, many more women who have PMS than have read the book. I really enjoyed listening to Ed today because he has such a tremendous sense of humor and a great way to reach out and touch each person with humor and with practical suggestions. So he was a lot of fun to be with, very inspiring for me. Thanks, Ed.